Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are giving x over y equals to 2 and we are asked to find 4y over x. Right, so now what we do is from x over y equals to 2, this we can make our x the subject of the formula. Alright, so and then we cross multiply. That makes x equals to y times 2, which is 2y. So we can say our x equals to 2y, and that means that anywhere we see x in 4y over x, we're going to write 2y. Alright, so remember this, this is what we have to find, 4y over x. And then from the first equation, we have made x the subject of the formula, which is equal to 2y. Right, so this becomes 4y over, instead of writing x, we write 2y, and then we can divide. Right, this y cancel this y, 2 here 1, 2 in 4 is 2. So our final answer is 2. Okay, so let's try this. If a over b equals 5, let's find 3b over a. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. Alright, see you next time.